Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create wave text effect on Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design on my Canva and I'm going to create web text effect on this design. First thing first guys, we can go to the apps menu right here and then we have to search for the type craft feature. We have to activate this feature on our design to create the wave text. Okay, click on the feature and then you can type your text right here. For instance, I'm just going to add hello feature, and here we can customize the font. I'm gonna go with maybe this one guys, and then we can also customize the style. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to change the outline. Wait. Okay, and here we can edit the shape guys. Here we can customize the shape to create the wave text effect. I'm just going to create like this. You can drag this little circle to create the wave text. Okay, once you're done, you can scroll down and then you can add this element to your design. And after that, you just need to go back to your design and this is the result. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can create wave text on Canva mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.